God is in everything I see because God is in my mind. People like to think that there's a few ways of understanding what this means, and that really God's not out there. And it's not out there, yes. Nothing is out there. In fact, you can't say the world's out there and God is not. You can't say anything is out there without saying some aspect of God is out there. So it is often we try and make this distinction between what is illusions and what is, say, reality as God. And throughout the course, we misunderstand so easily that as if illusions actually exist. And illusions can't exist. They don't exist. So no matter what you define as an illusion, you're misunderstanding what it is. So that gets into a whole nother subject. But in the sense of recognizing that the reason God is in everything I see is because everything you see is in your mind in the same place where God is in your mind. So what you actually are is this presence of consciousness of Christ, the Son of God. And it is in the likeness and totality of what is God. And you have a different function from what is God, because God is the totality of all that is, can't experience itself. But you, as the Son of God, is experiencing God for itself. So you, along with all of us that are Christ, can come into the self-realized experience of recognizing you are actually one with God. And so this, and what you know as your mind, is the presence of what God is. Now recognize this is about a journey, and this is about experiencing every aspect of all that is. So you have experienced not knowing any of this, and you've experienced probably getting upset about this statement and these ideas. You've experienced these things, and you're here to experience more. You want to experience more. That's what this yearning is, that you have been designed in this fashion to yearn for more experiences. That's exploration. You are here to experience more of the totality of the universe, so that God, what you are one with, may know itself in all the variations of eternal possibilities. So there's no rush about this, because you are that essence which is eternal. And so you've had all existence to build upon new ideas and experience all these different ideas, and to come to the same different variations of all this existence to bring about different experiences, different personalities, different bodies, different experiences, to literally reach the eternal variations and all possible options of all that is. So I know this seems like a lot to take in, but essentially what it is talking about, what we're referencing to, is that everything is in your mind. Let's just summarize and make it simple like that. Everything is in your mind. Everything is within God. So yes, this is a lot to take in, because you think so little of yourself, and you think of yourself as just this tiny little thing, but that's what this whole course is for. This whole course is for the awakening of what is Christ, you. And we're hoping that through this course and through all of these things, that everything, you can learn to overcome all limitations that you so believe in, and all distractions and upsets and problems that you insist are in your way, when really they are all in your mind, just like everything else. And that you have the power over this kingdom that is your mind. And you can change and choose between what is your issues, what are your problems. You can hold on to as many as you want. You can keep around as long as you want. You have eternity. And you can let them go as soon as you are sick and tired of it. Sick and tired of being sick and being tired. If you only recognize your power and your capabilities, all things would be possible, say, in God. When you recognize that you are quite literally that. Anything is possible. This is why this is a course in miracles. I like to call a course in limitlessness. Because once you discover that you have absolute limitlessness capabilities within everything that you are, this skyrockets your practice, your abilities into all new. Anything you've ever dreamed of can be true. Not only because you put your mind to it, but because of what your mind is. Your mind is one with the mind of God. Too much? Too fast? Is that good? Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for giving me life. You have so much more responsibility in this world than you like to imagine. And it is a lot. Thank you.